About this item: BEYONDTECH high quality LC to LC fiber patch cable single mode 9/125OS1 fiber is specially designed for fast Ethernet, fiber channel, gigabit Ethernet speeds, data center, premises, educational, LAN, SAN, commercial, 10 base L, 1310 nanometers, 10 base E, 1550 nanometers, 1000 base LX, 1300 nanometers, and asynchronous transfer mode, ATM, applications. It supports video, data, and voice services. This BEYONDTECH Fiber OS1 9/125LC/LC fiber patch cord conforms with TIA/EIA 492AAA and IEC 60793-2-10A1B standards and complies with RoHS specifications. This SM fiber has an yellow color jacket with a 3.0 mm diameter. OS1 cables have a 0.25 dB/km attenuation at 1550 nanometers and 0.35 dB/km at 1310 nm. This LC to LC single mode duplex OS1 fiber patch cords operate at -20°C to +70°C and have a minimum installation bending radius of 5.0 cm and a minimum long-term bending radius of 3 cm. OS1